Welcome once more, my people. This is Jamaica News and Views. Yeah. With that one, yeah, you're not gonna lose. Remember, subscribe, share, comment, like. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now, when Ramesh said the devil work hard, but Chensia work harder, that was a moment to reflect and say, who they make such a comparison? But birds of a feather flock together. I don't follow up what you call celebrities nor their hype, but I pay attention because you can't ride a bicycle, which is life, and don't know how to ride. My thing in life is to understand so I can do right because all our way are dead. And I don't believe the human being just dead and dead. Anyways, music, movie, cartoon, TV show, yeah, these things to me are distractions and evil programming. Many says it's just entertainment and gimmicks. I see on the other hand a trap from the devil cause of pure violence, greed, vanity, and lust it push and alter people's emotions and give artificial feelings. People keep saying music is of the creator, but no part of it is. It's a gift and a evil one. Just a trick because the creator put upon trial here and hurt to test humans and weed out evil from good. For the most part, we have to sacrifice this life where we love and its desires, not people. So when people are say, "A God give me this talent, a God bless me," careful, because your life is and was never what you thought. And the creator never tell a human being make music or sacrifice other human beings for elevation. So when people sell them soul left, right, and center for status in a wrong society, it points to the source. No, Shensia was walking this road. No, I lie that. She was running to this conclusion. Understand this. The whole artists them, and I say and I point to only the Jamaicans them, cause even vintage artists in America and them place they sell them so a long time for fame. Now these were mostly displays for new artists. Them give a view like hey, there's no soul selling here, and you just put in the work. But once the agenda take root and people get trapped like flies, thinking hey, we can do this, then they realize that it's more than being able to sing and write songs to be in the eyes of the people and get riches. So most artists right now with frequent exposure and airplay are those who have already made some type of deal and are actively corrupting humanity. Anyways, Shensia start run till she promote LGBTQ in her video after saying she had throat problems and don't know if she will sing again, which was the excuse because she was approached and was thinking to not continue with music, but went ahead with Tiger, who was sidelined because he was also hesitating. Then realized they won't even let him be with Kylie and shade him till him finally and over him bottom. Then them use him to give her some international momentum. That's when she got blessed by the demons of music. Then she signed to Interscope, which is from these Freemasons. Then she and Russian, Swaley and Young Thug do collab promoting the human being becoming fake and slaves under a digital system. Then she had to choose her son or mother, and she chose and put down cowballing like, oh, it's natural. Remember, peoples, these are already great actors and actresses. So I am there looking and watching. And this was me when I saw her initiation. I'm like, okay, this is a female version for Lil Nas X. Everybody is mocking Hellfire like it's a joke and also mocking humanity. Well, it's the devil using him puppets them for mock us for not knowing what is going on, even though it's right in front of our eyes and lives. When the weekend did the Super Bowl halftime show, it showed the devil falling from the presence of the creator after being kicked out for his hatred of mankind and his blatant rebellion. He came down to his race, the jinns, with a whole heap of fake story and Ray. And they have been waging war against us human beings so we can join them in a hellfire after judgment. So people, when you make me know, few no thoughts on all of this. But how me see it, humanity now gonna be good. When make me know in I comments them. This is Jamaica News and Review. Again, peace.